How to unhide chats in Character AI. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to unhide chats in Character AI. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, let's just open up our Character AI app, open it up, and then from here, let's say I want to hide a chat. So for example, I'll try to hide this chat right here with Makima, so I'll just hide the chat, and then there you go, the chat is now hidden. So to unhide the chat, what you want to do is just simply go to the explore button right here, and then what you want to do is to just search up the character that you have hidden your chat with. So for me, it's Makima, so I'll just search up for Makima, and then I'll just click on the profile on the character that I chatted with, so it's this one right here, and then there you go. And then when I go back to my chats page, as you can see, Makima is now back in my recent chats. And then there you go, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to unhide chats in Character AI. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.